What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I'm going to show you an app where you can get paid to go to the store. Very easy to use. I've cashed out in this site plenty of times. I'm going to cash out in this video to show you that not only do you get paid, but you get paid instantly. I'm going to show you how this works. So you're going to get paid to go to different stores, and you get cash back on pretty much everyday item that you already buy. All right, so it doesn't matter what store you go to that's on the app, you're going to get cash back. So I'm going to go through and just kind of show you how this works. All right, so I'm going to click here. So I'm going to start with this Walmart. So you see here, if I go to this Walmart, it lists a number of things that I can get cash back on. You see it right there, any item, I get 20-cent cash back on any item. You know what I'm saying, just off top. Then as you go down, it has other items that you can get and the amount of cash back that you can get for that item. Now, you see this is stuff that you already buy for the household. Like I said, it doesn't matter if it's on here, you can get it. They also categorize it. You can choose best value, look at the things it has for that. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of things on this app. You can look at new offers that they have because they always have new offers popping up literally every week. So, always look at that as well. But, there's lots of things on here. So you can really rack up your points just buying different things here that you go to the grocery store. Like, every time I go to the store, I always look on this app for things that I can get cash back on just because it makes grocery shopping so much easier. And so I can, like here another store, Target, doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying? It really doesn't matter what store you go to as long as the store is on this app. And I'm telling you, they have most of the popular stores on here, like the ones that you already go to. So you shouldn't have any problem finding a store on this app. And you see here, there's plenty of things you can do. Like I said, it doesn't matter what store you go to. They have plenty of items that you can choose from and look at. All right, so now I'm going to show you my account balance. You see here I have $20.40. My lifetime earnings is $155.44. You have to have a minimum of $20 to cash out. Now, that is not hard to get because you're going to get cash back for so many items. And you can cash out in a variety of different ways. You see here they have PayPal. Just scrolling down, they have plenty of different gift cards that you can choose from. So there's something on here that you can definitely like, some that you can definitely use, between all of these, gift cards that they're offering. But, of course, they always have the main ones, the Amazon, the PayPal. So for me, I'm going to choose PayPal. So I'm going to click on that. And you can, like I said, it has to be a minimum of $20. So I'm going to type in the whole thing. I got $20.40. So I'm going to cash that out. Then I'm going to click on withdraw cash. And right there, withdrawal successful. It's already been sent to my email, my PayPal account. So now I'm going to just click OK for that. And so now you see my account balance going back and I have $0. So I'm going to go to my PayPal account and make sure it's there. So let me do that real quick. And you see there, right there, $20.40 paid to me instantly. All right. So just get the cash back on the items. Get your money in your account, cash out at $20, goes right into your PayPal account, instant money. All right, so the way this works is once you see an item, you just click on that item. It'll add it to your list. And then once you purchase the item, you just take a picture of your receipt and it'll, take note of all the items that you actually bought at the store. If you ever have a problem, like say you bought an item, but they didn't show it on your, that you got cash back from it, you can always just scan the barcode and just to verify that you bought it, so you'll get credit for the item. But I'm telling you, they have lots of cashback offers. Some starting at 10 cents, some starting at 25 cents, going up until like $5, $10. So your money, it can really rack up very fast. Just wanted to show you guys that easy app I've been using for a while. So link to it will be in the description. You can sign up. You actually get $5 once you sign up. So there is an incentive to sign up. And then, like you already were grocery shopping, just use this app so you can get paid for some of the stuff that you buy anyway. All right. So just wanted to show you guys that another app that you can use to make money. If you want to make even more money, please visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the websites and apps that I use to make money on. And if you're interested in making $150 every single day, please book a session with me, a one-on-one session, so I can show you how it's done. I can give you all the steps and tricks and, you need in order to make that kind of money. I know a lot of people don't believe that it's possible, but I'm telling you, it is very possible. It's just not a lot of people know about it, but I have all the information that you need in order to do that. So book a session. The link to it will be in the description. or go on my website, pennies2000s.com, click on the book of sessions tab and get started with it and start making some real money. All right. So I want you to start with this app, download it to your phone, to your iPad, or whatever it is. Get cash back, get paid to go to the store, and always remember, every penny counts.